Hey, head game stronger, that's a ball.
Hi, I'm Stassi. I'm a hairstylist here at Hair Queen LA, and we just installed some 30-inch tape and extensions into her hair.
Funny how they coming around, acting friendly at the woodworks like they been down. Yeah, I'm stunting cause I'm wearing a crown. Now that I'm stacking my chips, they wanna cut me now. But I'm like, you ain't touching us, baby. You ain't touching us, baby. You ain't touching us, baby. Like Jen and Jay say, why have you done for me lately? Hop up on the beat, they go crazy. Hop up on the beat, they go crazy. Hop up on the beat, they go crazy. HQ Queens, they stay bumping us day. Hair, nails, on stiletto. Hit the bed, paint it up. Just like
Hi, I'm Kiana. I just got my new Hair Queen LA tape and extensions. Stassi slayed me. So we're about to do some trivia now. Make sure you guys like, follow, and subscribe to all of their channels and all of their social media. So I'm a little nervous on the trivia, but let's get it started.
Get you guys going. Okay, sweet. And so for the first question, it is going to be, who is Spider-Man's love interest? A, Rachel Dawes, B, Ashley Pope, or C, Mary Jane Watson?
C, isn't it? You know, I could have swore on the old ones it was Mary Jane, but I'm hoping it is.
Yeah,
I'm
you got
right.
that. Ding,
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, perfect. For the second question, what is Soulja Boy's phone number in the song "Kiss Me Through the Phone"?
I know it. 789998212. What was it? Am I close?
there's options.
Okay, yeah, sorry. It's 678-998212.
Okay.
323-678-4980.
I don't recall all that.
310-245-7716.
That one. Was it?
No.
What do you guys think?
I think it's one. I mean A.
Yeah, it's A, 678-998212. Okay, for the third question, which female rapper coined the term hot girl summer? Is it A,
Stallion.
okay, City Girls, B, Meg Thee Stallion, or C, Cardi B?
Megan. I know she brought that.
Hot girl summer.
Yeah.
You guys have just won yourself a nice little goodie bag and a Moyo massage gun. Thanks for playing with us.
Thank you so much. I can't wait to go outside with this.
hit the bag, count it out, keep it hot, just like